Wow, your name, this movie we're watching is totally funny and totally cool too. Yeah, and it's a nice way to stay home since we're having a waiting thunderstorm outside. So it will be okay. And we're just here inside, at least we're not out during the rain. And the thunder too, just in case it's some people actually hold like a metal, something metal, then they would totally get electrocuted. Even that would be funny, but also will hurt. Well. Oh yeah. But I'm sure it will be a loud boom or anything else. But don't worry. Now we're just gonna continue on watching this awesome movie and we're just gonna enjoy it. Yep. Here's a jump scare. Here's a little scare. Oh, why we turn the belly up? No reason. Yep. Yep, hold on, turn it down. It was funny, your name. Oh! Whoa. Now that was a loud thunderstorm. That was a loud one. Like a loud bang. Wow. Did you hear that, your name? What? Your name? What? Where did it go? Oh, they went to the room? But why? I'll pause the movie. I'll go check out and see what's wrong. Your name? Huh? Your name, are you under the bed again? I can see you are, and you're shivering in fear. What's wrong? Wait, I'm a jerk? What do you mean I'm a jerk? What? What I did? What did I do? Oh, sorry about that, but is it something to do with that, or what is it? You have a fear? What type of fear? Wait, you have a fear of loud noises? Oh, why? Oh. 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 Your name, I didn't know you have fear of loud noises, and I'm really sorry. I didn't know. I saw you like shiver like a little bit. I thought it means that you were excited, but I guess you were having some little fears. I do feel like a jerk. I'm really sorry, your name. I done that so I could give you like a little prank or like a little scare from the little Joe scare. Well, for the movie, but I'm really sorry about that. And at least the thunderstorm wasn't my doing. It was just a part of nature. But so I'm really sorry. Yeah, and also, why did you tell me you have a fear of loud noises? Oh, you just didn't want me to worry about it? And you thought I could figure it out on my own? Sometimes I don't figure out things on my own since, my memory can be, kind of bad. But, don't worry, let them know you have a fear of loud noises. And you can always tell me about your problems and your fears is. And I don't mind. Everyone has a fear. Yeah, I'll tell you for instance, Dream has a fear of owls. Oh yeah, I guess owls can be a little creepy. So I guess understandable. But Nightmare has a fear of cats. Yeah, I know. It is pretty funny, but I guess it could be understandable. And for Edward, he have a phobia. Because he has a fear of being touched. So, yeah. Because look, everyone has a fear of some way, and you have a fear of loud noises. It's okay. Everyone has their own fears. Even me included. Yeah. So, it's okay. Because I'm here for you, your name. No matter what. No problem. Now, can you get out onto the bed now? Hey, it's okay. You're scared. It's hard to jump and hide it somewhere from the loud noises. Well, hey, it's okay. Because I'm here for you, your name. Because you're a friend. And I love having my friends out. No matter what. Yeah. Hmm? Huh? You're welcome, your name. You're welcome indeed. Now, how about we go back down there and continue watching the movie together? Would you like that, your name? Great. Oh, your name? Don't forget, I'm always here for you. No matter what. Okay, that was Ink Sands X Fear of Loud Noises. Listener is hosted by RoseTheThorn. I did it for them, so yeah. And I've given Source credit as good Ink Sands. He looks good, I like it. It pretty much has no eyes and no mouth. So yeah, but it's still good though. So yeah. And so yeah, that's it. I hope you guys liked the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to me. And I'll do more soon enough. And peace out guys. And I love you all.